Dollar index weekly time frame, big vertical crash in dollar index, and this is happening since 1971. This is first time. Last 6 months, last 2 quarter, every month dollar was going down, and this is happening since end of their gold standard. So now officially we are in second half of this year, third quarter. First of all, technically high chance price bounce as a correction. There can be profit taking or short skews, but there are many reasons we get technical bounce at least up to 100 level. Before that, there is no resistance. This previous static resistance zone that can retest once again. So that wave counting, triangle chart pattern in wave X, wave Y, 100% projection 95.673, almost there. Instant rejection last week. So technically I think we are in final stage. So support 95.673 for technical bounce, upside resistance 100 level. And after NAP, UR rate decreased. This is new additional information which Fed can use to justify their hawkish tone to continue their rate pause. Based on current information, now there is no reason to cut in July FOMC meeting. Thing can change a few days before FOMC. Thing happen all the time, but right now there is low chance after decreasing UR rate, strong NAP number, rate pause can continue. That is hawkish and better than premature rate cut last year. So this thing are bullish dollar. Daily time frame, if you see, we have this strong trend line, only one fake out, but still it is a strong trend line. Once it break out, then it will be first sign of reversal, plus a possible parallel channel, lower trend line testing. So daily time frame, you have trend line breakout, initial confirmation, but resistance still same near 101. So Euro USD weekly time frame, let's see when market reverse by testing 100% projection for wave C or without retest. What we are in final stage, and once reversal start, you have clear static support level. First one will be 1.15 area, but it spike this week and 100% projection level hit, then you can start selling, but clear level 1.19 165. GBPUSD, a triangle chart pattern correction, final wave E, not clear, but price breaking this upper trend line, no clear breakout. So GBPUSD weekly can come down because we are bullish dollar, and once it start falling, you have to watch on intraday time frame. But 1.34 will be your first support. But compared to other pair GBPUSD, if it spike more, then we don't have clear static resistance. If it start falling, then we do not have clear support level. USDCHF weekly time frame, we have possible parallel channel. If price fall more, then almost there, retest of lower trend line, that will be buying opportunity. Because here you have competition between 0% and more than 4% central bank rate. And big dollar crisis, nobody buying their dollar. So once reversal start, .80, then 83, these two will be first big resistance. USDCAD daily time frame, compared to other currency pair, there is big change. All currency pair, they were making range high or low, but USDCAD only retest recent low, no breakdown. So in that condition, if dollar become strong, reversal starting July month, then this can be our double bottom pattern. First ending diagonal chart pattern, then double bottom, and once neckline breakout near 1.38, reversal confirm, retest, then new high. Bitcoin daily time frame, it is making new sideways range near psychological level 100k, but rate cut is good for gold, but Bitcoin is all about QE. They are still doing QT, and QE is not happening anytime soon. So it is sideways range, it is happening, but lower part of this range 75k, that is your downside risk. Silver weekly time frame, a parallel channel price almost there near upper part of the range, so downside risk, retest of lower trend line. US oil weekly time frame, big static resistance 78, war over, so sideways range continue, and currently price testing 66 area at downside risk 57, but it is doing a sideways correction because war over and market is still confused between recession and economic boom, because NFP decrease recession possibility. So if price spike, because it is sideways range, upside is 78 and downside 56. Few day maybe price can stay above 56 area. SP 500 monthly time frame, tariff reduce on trendline retest, new all-time high, but NFP increased, UR rate decreased, recession chance decreased. That is a good sign for stock, but that will create more hawkish risk from Fed, because biggest risk here is CPI number. If CPI also rise, then NFP CPI both rising, then it is your soft landing, economy reaccelerating. But historically every year July month very good for SP 500. Every year in July stocks go up. So let's see when Fed change is done, but there is a risk of hawkish Fed. If this time is different, then in July this time S&P 500 can come down. And this week let's see what Trump do on tariff deadline. Tariff will increase or decrease, but this new all-time high is not buying opportunity. Be careful, because NFP came last week, but reaction will come this week, because FOMC member will give a speech once again this week, because we do not have review from FOMC member how they think about new decreasing UR rate. GDX daily time frame, ending diagonal then breakout. So gold is still sideways below 3430 triple top, but compared to that GDX is still very strong. So July seasonality is very strong for stock market. Every year it goes up. Maybe it can affect GDX, but if gold does not break out 3430 range, then it is very bad sign for GDX. US 10-year bond yield, you can see Friday multiple closing a lower part of Fed interest rate, because Trump is signing new bills and NFP very strong. So because of that yield can spike once again, but they are pricing out rate cut. So let's see how market react to NFP. Be careful FOMC member comment this week, and how 10-year yield react to Trump new will, but look like hawkish Fed and monetary policy tightening is coming for short term. For all the currency trader, dollar index daily time frame, this trend line will be extremely important, almost there. If it spike clear breakout, then this can be sign of reversal, because first 6 months of this year, all the seller, if all of them take profit and wait for retracement, then spike can be big, and for many days in upcoming time dollar index can stay up.